How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to unblock a profile or an account on Facebook. Now, for some reason, Facebook doesn't allow you to unblock an account using the Facebook application itself. But I have found a solution for this, and you can do this on the Messenger app. Now, first things first, let's head on to Messenger. And once you've done that, go to these three horizontal lines right here. And go to this gear icon right here. And scroll down until you see privacy and safety. Now under privacy and safety, go to blocked accounts. Now in order to unblock a certain profile or an account, just click on that profile you want to unblock. So right here, and click on Unblock on Messenger. Click on Unblock. And there you have it. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find it helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!